So Tangana emathuneni wayazi le ngoma ngithanda kakhulu. Ay, emasithando sami. Awuhambi wena ngithi. Problem mina ngikwata kakhulu. Nginanhliziyo itukuka maka. Manje uwenza zilo zokere angisithushisi. Inhliziyo yami iyadala kaphela ithi gubu 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 gubu.
Angisho mina I found out.
You find out.
I found out everything.
Yakala izinto zeza find out. Na wena uhamba usearcha kakhulu. Ufuna uhamba usearcha uzothola izinto zazibe zakho. Ene uzoba ne problem. Manje ungayenzi lento uzama usi find out. Wena ahambi mfanzi wami mina nawe angeke silwe. Laba bafuna kusulisa angeke silwe. Wena uwami ulalala isifubeni sendoda yakho. Angithi say isifuba sendoda yakho. Akuna la uyakhona. Mina nawe siyathandana ibile angeke si break up. Loya iriko ubuje wabona lo yena lo owalichubaba loya ntombazana. Uwangitshela manje ukuthi mina ngiyakuthanda wena ihlukana na Ali njani ngithi mina ngihlukana na Ali ho over my dead body angeke ngihlukana na Ali athi ngimbone ambele iziguchi propaganda iziguchi zakho za size 12 ngithi unamanga yamtshela ukuthi unamanga ayikhona alintweyo izizo zingithengelile izicathulo zela izwawo
Uthi ngifake iguchi size 12.
Ihlakeda wena uhambele iguchi size 12 ngamtshela ukuthi ayikhona alintweyo yona ngithengelile iguchi leya manje yena wayakhala wena usambala guchi ya size 12 yena ambale yawo ya size 15k ayidlule yakho zidlula nengali size
Angimthandi uMeli.
Meli wangifoster wayazi Meli wangifoster Meli wangifoster na le family ithi yakala lo Meli yakala lo Ali uthathe Meli ngithi man mami ngafuni Ali nami angifuni yabona le family le ayikho right.
Le family le ayikho right le.
Ayikho right le family ithi mina ngijole ne mail ngikuyakele ngathi le family yahlanya
And so simele create ma private accounts bangasasiboni
once
and bathi bangitshela bathi my time ungekho bathi
awu phela mina loya mail angimfuni bona laba ibona bathi mina ngijole ne mail phela angeke ngimi accept mina say mina niyenzileni ngithathile bona laba ngabayenza izi moderator bona bayamuthatha bayamudisa la ngithi angimfunile umuntu lo laba babona la le family ayikho right family ilisa abantu ilisa mfazi nendoda yawo
ifamily le
angithandile ibona laba bayiri mina ngijole namele mina ngari
and nami bathi mina ngithathe uSifiso ngiyekele wena ngoba uSifiso
lo Sifiso wa papa muyekele wena focus kunna
and mina ngiyabatshela ukuthi mina my husband I have one husband.
yekela lo
Ubani manje lona? Oh.
Wena ungacheki urumani ubani yekela le ngifuna ukuyodlala match sidlala le game angithi
Yeah, I'm going offline after this.
ya uyolala ngithi ya namhlanje usiyenzele barikini udiye kamkhura dragona barikini usiyenzele uyothandayo barikini
Uyadlala nobani match?
Koki ungishayile ngiyambuyelela.
Angeke uzuwine phela.
Ash my guy. Kilanda se too much.
Yeah, she told me.
She told you. Manje ngiyambuyelela ke.
Mawumbuyelela faka ivault icala faka 3 things on the vault.
Angeke ayenze. Manje ngikhome inja yami
Lona
lana.
akuna Matata doesn't play. You can even put 500,000.
Where chance thina sithetha sitshela izimillion aloya wenza
But I
kancane.
think he is gone now. I want to see.
Like Bono is still alive ngiyamfuna.
Yeah, she's still alive, but she's on match.
Ngiyamlanda ngimtshelile ukuthi ngiyabuya.
Umshaye baby ungamxoleli ntombazana. Umshaye umuje.
Ngiyomudla. As long as lo mfana wami ayikhona la. Naye asikahamba phela
Angeke aze ahamba. Mara why nifakele 15 like him because you should have put it on her.
No, see, I put another kuwe.
Why? That's wrong. Let me see if she's still.
Ngiyamfuna Koki.
Koki ngathi she's out. She's out. She's not live. Or she's live. She's still playing. She's on a match. Guys, love you. Good night. Ngizonibona tomorrow after 2 days.
Siyabuya wena sizokhuluma kamrawo.
Bye.
Sharp.